You think a poor tea seller could ever become the leader of a whole country? Sounds impossible, right? But this is not just a dream. It's a real story of a boy who started with nothing and became the Prime Minister of India. This story is not about politics. It's about hard work, self-belief, and never giving up. If you're feeling low, stuck, or small, this video is for you. Because once you hear this journey, you'll know that anything is possible with the right mindset. So let's begin the inspiring true story of Narendra Modi, from selling tea to leading a nation. There was once a poor boy who sold tea at railway stations. His family had no money, and life was full of struggle. But he was curious about the world. He listened to people and learned from everything around him. He didn't go to fancy schools, but he believed in working hard and dreaming big. Every morning, he woke up with determination. He worked long hours without complaining. He loved his country deeply. He believed that one person could make a big difference. As he grew up, he entered politics. He started serving the people around him. Many laughed at him. They said, "You can't do anything, you're just a tea seller." But he didn't let their words stop him. He used their doubt as fuel to push forward. He kept learning, kept speaking, and kept growing stronger. His dream was clear, to lead India one day. Years passed. He failed many times, but never gave up. He faced criticism, rejection, and tough situations. Still, he stood tall with hope. And then one day, that same tea seller became the Prime Minister of India. Yes, this is the true story of Narendra Modi. A boy who had nothing, but built everything with effort. His journey is proof that background doesn't decide your future, your mindset does. He didn't let poverty define him. He let passion guide him. Today, he leads the world's largest democracy. His words inspire millions across the globe. Whether you support him or not, his story is full of lessons. It reminds us that no dream is too big. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes to those who keep moving, even when it's hard. If a tea seller can lead a nation, what's stopping you from chasing your dreams? You have the same 24 hours. You have the power to grow, learn, and rise. Never think you're too small, and greatness starts with believing in yourself. Turn pain into purpose. Turn struggle into strength. The world will doubt you. But don't ever doubt yourself. Your past can't stop your future. Only your mindset can. So start today. Learn something, try something, build something. You never know where it might take you. Your journey might inspire the world someday. Believe in your story. And write it with courage, just like he did. Because impossible is just a word. Your effort is what gives it meaning. This was the true story of a small boy with big dreams. A boy who proved that your past doesn't control your future. If his journey inspired you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful stories like this. And hey, if you have any suggestions for our next video, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, your story is still being written. Make it amazing.